Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to use the filter on our workflows. It's a super powerful tool that makes it so you can send over exactly who you want into KW Command and exactly how you want to do it. So you can market to them effectively using KW Command. Super easy. Let me show you how. First, I'm going to go into API Nation. I'm going to zoom in here. There we go. And here I am in API Nation. I've signed in, I'm in the My Syncs section. And you can see I have a couple different syncs going on here, but the one I'm gonna look at is this Google Contacts to KW Command. So I'm just gonna click on that. And you can see it's not currently activated. If it was, I could just pause it and then set this up. But I'm gonna go ahead and look at this filter. So you can see I'm sending over everybody from Google Contacts into KW Command, any new or updated contacts into KW Command. And here is the filter. And it looks pretty innocuous, but you can make this thing do some amazing things. So I'm gonna click on it, and you can see these are all the fields available in Google Contacts that we can see. First name, last name, phone, title, company, country, street, zip. I'm gonna go with zip first, because this is what's interesting. So I've clicked zip, and now I can make it so that only a certain zip code comes over in this sync. So for example, if I only want to send over people with the zip code, let's do contains, just in case somebody's got some extra numbers in there, 92101. So now it's only going to send over contacts I have who have that 92101 in the zip code. Maybe I want to do something a little bit more advanced. So maybe I want only people in the 92101. I click add rule. Or I want people who are from the city of Santa Barbara. So now I can build a filter so it sends over exactly who I want into KW Command. So I can keep adding rules, 92101 or Santa Barbara or last name Sanders, and keep going on and on. I can also add additional filters. So maybe I only want people from 92101 or from Santa Barbara. And so people who meet this criteria, and additionally, email is not empty. So now I'm only going to get people from 92101 or Santa Barbara whose email address is in Google Contacts. So this sounds good to me. I'm going to save it. And then what I can do is, as I send these into KW Command, I can make it so that they get tagged with a special tag that lets me know they're Santa Barbara people. So I'm going to add a custom field. I'm going to call this tag, and I'm going to call this Santa Barbara. So there it is, and I'm going to match that up with my KW Command tags. So now this subset, this segment of people who meet the filter requirements we set up earlier are going to get sent into KW Command, and they're going to get tagged with Santa Barbara. So I'm going to activate this, and I can create as many of these syncs as I want, creating different combinations of filters and pairing them with different tags so that people going into KW Command are accurately tagged. It's easy for me to sort and find who I need and market to them effectively. We're excited to show you this super powerful tool within our workflows, the filter. If you need any assistance setting it up or adding it to your Google Contacts or iCloud import into KW Command, just let us know. You can go to apination.com/KW. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.